Discover More app, an innovative educational tool by me, R. Botha. Interactive Augmented Reality or AR learning application software program for natural sciences. My proposed educational tool is an interactive augmented reality or AR learning app. This application and technology can bring concepts to life through 3D visualizations, simulations, and interactive experiments. Students can make use of computers or smartphones to capture objects in their environment, like plants, rocks, or even living organisms, and instantly view rich interactive content related to those objects, such as their biological processes, chemical compositions, or ecological roles. This learning app represents an innovative educational tool that effectively addresses multiple learning strategies by fostering deep learning, promoting engagement, ensuring accessibility, making learning enjoyable, and developing critical thinking skills. This tool can enhance the learning experiences of students in a meaningful and impactful way. Presentation facilitates deep learning. The app encourages deep learning by allowing students to explore complex topics through immersion. For example, while studying the human circulatory system, students can interact with a 3D model, seeing blood flow in real time, and understanding how various organs work together. This hands-on exploration helps solidify foundation knowledge, as students are no longer just memorizing the content but engaging with it on a deeper level. Promotes student engagement. The gamification of learning features such as quizzes and challenges keep students motivated. They can earn points or rewards for completing tasks or answering questions correctly, prompting competition and collaboration. Engaged students are more likely to invest time in learning, leading to improved retention of scientific concepts. Circulatory system structure and function vocabulary quiz. This image was provided by Exploring Nature, the Circulatory System quiz by Sherry Amsel. Makes content accessible. The app includes features like text-to-speech for students with reading difficulties, multilingual support, and alternative modes of content presentation, videos, animations, etc. This ensures that all students, regardless of their learning styles or needs, can access the same content. By catering to the diverse learners, science education becomes more inclusive.
Makes content accessible. The app includes features like text-to-speech for students with reading difficulties, multilingual support, and alternative modes of content presentation, videos, animations, etc. This ensures that all students, regardless of their learning styles or needs, can access the same content. By catering to diverse learners, science education becomes more inclusive.
Makes learning fun and enjoyable. The app promotes enjoyment by incorporating game-like elements and interactive challenges. For instance, students might collect virtual specimens or conduct AR experiments in a virtual lab setting. Fun learning experiences increases motivation and curiosity, driving students to explore science beyond the classroom. 10 games for teaching the circulatory system. promotes critical thinking. The app encourages students to conduct virtual experiments and analyze data. For example, they can simulate chemical reactions and predict outcomes based on varying conditions. This encourages them to think critically about hypotheses, testing, and experimental design by fostering a mindset of inquiry and analysis. Students develop essential critical thinking skills essential for scientific inquiry. Thank you.